goes, knocking on your door. Same old voice you heard so many times before. It's here once more. Baby, please let me in. You know that I love you, baby. Just let me love you once more, like I did so many times before. Yeah.
Starting your life again can be a challenging but rewarding journey. Here are some steps that might help you navigate this process. 1. Reflect on your goals. Take some time to think about what you truly want in life. What are your passions, values, and dreams? Write them down to have a clearer vision. 2. Set achievable goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less overwhelming and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you progress. 3. Build a support system. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Friends, family, or support groups can provide encouragement and advice. 4. Learn new skills. Consider taking up new hobbies or learning new skills. This can open up new opportunities and help you discover new interests. 5. Take care of your health. Physical and mental well-being are crucial. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, and consider practices like meditation or yoga to maintain mental balance. 6. Stay positive. Focus on the positives in your life and practice gratitude. This can help shift your mindset and keep you motivated. 7. Seek professional help if needed. Sometimes, talking to a therapist or counselor can provide valuable insights and support. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Remember, every step you take towards your goals, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction.